In this video, we'll take a visual look at the math node of the geometry nodes. First, make the basic settings. Add a curve line. Increase the number of vertices. And add a curve to mesh node to render it as a thin line. Also, add a set material node so that the emission material will be applied. Add a set position node. Add a position node. Add a separate XYZ node and a combined XYZ node. If you connect the X socket of the separate XYZ node to the Y socket of the combine XYZ node, as the magnitude of X increases, the magnitude of Y also increases, resulting in a directly proportional graph. Based on this direct proportional graph, we add a math node and look at it visually. First, the add node. The add mode does not change the shape of the graph, but offsets the starting point. Duplicate the math node to amplify the value and turn it into a multiply node. Add and subtract modes show the same result. In multiply mode, you can adjust the angle of the graph. The same goes for divide mode. The multiply add mode has options to adjust the angle and starting point of the graph. The power mod makes this look possible. If you mirror it, you can make a parabola. Logarithm looks like this. Square root. Inverse square root. Absolute. Exponent looks like this. The shape of minimum. Maximum. Less than. Greater than. Sign. Compare. Smooth minimum. Smooth maximum. In the rounding section, floor and truncate show the same shape. Round and seal are as follows. Fraction and modulo have the same shape. There is one more option that modulo can control. Wrap. SAMP is similar to floor. This is ping pong mode. This is sine mode. By prepending the multiply mode to sine, you can control the frequency. Cosine. Tangent. Arcsine. Arccosine. Arctangent. Arctan 2. Hyperbolic sine. Hyperbolic cosine. Hyperbolic tangent. to radians, to degree. We looked at the graph shape for each mode of the above math node. In summary, it looks like this. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time.